Hey y'all, welcome back to Mrs. Lynn's Cooking. Today we're going to make an easy caramel sauce. All you're going to need is 1 can of sweetened condensed milk in a crock pot and water. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your label off of your sweetened condensed milk. You're going to take the can, do not open it, set it into your crock pot. Then you're going to take water and you're going to fill it up, all the way till you're going to submerge the can itself completely in water. Once you do that, we're going to take our lid, put it on, and then we're going to turn it to high for 6 hours. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the crock pot. Okay, then you're going to take your lid off. And when you do, take your crock pot out of the container and take it over to your sink and drain the water off because it's going to be very, very hot. Once you do that, then take it out with your oven mitts or rag and put it on your counter overnight and let it sit. Okay, we have let this sit overnight to cool on the counter. And we have opened it up. And I want you to see this is what your caramel will look like. And we're just going to take a scoop of this and put it on our plate with some apples. And you have a healthy and nutritious snack. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.